Now to hide all the evidence before Sugar Mama gets home. What's crack-a-lackin', y'all? What? Howdy there. Welcome to the Sugar Daddy Show. Tightening. Say hello, sugar daughter.
Hello.
Yeah, and if you haven't already, check out the Sugar Sibs channel. I already have more subscribers than I do, so they're on their way up. Because I'm awesome. You know, I have quality subscribers, no quantity at all. All right, so today I want you to join me. I just bought a new pack. I think, anyway. I think I did. I commute. Most of my riding is done commuting. That means going to work. And first thing I do not use blades to open. And the first thing I do is I pull out the Kershaw. So let's try to figure out. Like I said, I commute to work. And I would take a pack with me. It's just a backpack, a day pack. It's a Deuter AC Lite 16, and it's just a little bit too small for everything I do. Like, it's just barely too small. Like, if I had another, I don't know, something size bigger, so I can stuff stuff in it, it's just hard to get everything I need to. I'm going to use the blade anyway, because I'm a rebel. So, I ordered off of the Amazons, and I hope this is it. It might be a dress that my wife ordered, but I ordered an Ogio Throttle. Yeah, an Ogio Throttle pack off of Amazon. I think it's like a 28-liter pack, so hopefully it'll give me enough room to do what I need to do, to put what I need to carry in it, and still have room for my snacks, because I love me some snacks. Yeah. So hopefully this is it. It could be. Oh yeah, it is. Motor Orangutan from Texas, Austin, Texas. Hello, Austin, Texas. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna unbox it, and we're gonna give you like a little review of it. There could be anything in there. Would you look at that? There we go. There we go. It is. Well, the Ogio Throttle. It's black and green. It is green because I'm all about sales. And this was the cheapest one they had that was for sale. So this is the one that I bought because I don't see color. Here we go. Ogio. The symbol. The throttle, Ogio Throttle backpack. I don't speak French, Portuguese, Espanol. Oh, here, wait. I don't see English. I'm going to have to send it back because I can't read the instructions. Okay, here we go. Some features. Picture of it. We got a large main compartment, padded laptop sleeve. Ooh, for all you millennials, you hipsters. Tablet sleeve, phone pocket. I have one of those. Fleece-lined valuables, won't be using that because I don't have any valuables. Quick access zippered stash pocket, side stash pocket for more valuables in case you're just rolling like that. And a side water bottle pocket in case you like to drink water with your whiskey. So cool. Limited lifetime warranty, to our knowledge, blah blah blah. It's as good as they can make it. I'm going to stand it uphill. Let's see what we got. Cool. Main compartment right here. Safety orange, just in case, you know, you're caught in an avalanche or something. Nice big main pocket. That's a pretty good size. Is that the size there? Huh. That's a nice size main pocket. I could probably stick my old pack in there totally for it. Let's see what we have. It's big enough to hold a Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, not an old one either, a new one. That's pretty good size opening. So on the inside, roll down flappy and drawstring just to keep your, looks like we're already having some quality control issues. Somebody forgot to do something. We'll worry about that later. Okay. Alright, so drawstring closure, just to keep your gerbils from escaping. On the inside here, it looks like we have 2 mesh pockets. 2 very small mesh pockets. They're like the size of a wallet with no money in it, so that'll be perfect for me. Mine should fit just fine. Got a zippered pocket right here. This is all on the back panel. There's the straps there. So this is on the back panel. Another zippered pocket that's big enough for like a Kindle, maybe Kindle Fire or something like that. I don't know. No other pockets on the inside. No, nothing. Just more orange on the inside. So close it up. Top flap. Nothing on the inside of the top flap. The outside of the top flap has a zipper. This must be one of those valuable pouches, pockets that they're talking about. It's got a nice fleece lining in there for your valuables. Zipper. And here's the infamous laptop pocket. I watched the review on Revzilla that Spurgeon did. He said he wasn't happy about the laptop sleeve, the way it didn't open all the way. I don't have a laptop, so I don't care. And there we go. There's like another little. There we go. There's another little. I don't know what that would be called. I don't even know what that would be for. Little pocket right there. It doesn't have an opening on it. The top, a closure on it, and the same type on the other side behind it. Looks like possibly a tablet sleeve, maybe. I don't know. So laptop pad. It's not laptop pocket, rather. It's not. It's nylon lined, which I don't know. I guess it'd be the outside of your laptop because it wouldn't touch the screen, but you know, whatever. So the corner zipper. Now we got the straps, carry handle. Now remember, kids, whenever you're picking up your backpack and carrying it around, do not carry it by the straps. This goes for my camping experience, my hiking experience. Whenever you see a review about a pack where the strap is broken or the strap is like where the stitching is broken here, it's most likely because the person picked it up by the strap, kit fully loaded, and slung it over their shoulder by the strap. When you pick up a loaded pack, pick it up by the carry handle. That's why they put a carry handle there. But yeah, that's what that's there for. To pick it up if you don't want to put it on your shoulder, or just to pick it up in general to get most of the load off of the straps so they don't tear off in your hands. So we got padded back, nylon, Ogio down the middle. It's like a sunk in an area. I guess that's the airflow. The Deuter pack, the AC Lite Deuter pack I have, Deuter has like an airflow back, where basically the back of the pack is curved in like that, and then there's like a mesh that goes here, which rests against your back, and then the straps come out. So there's like a mesh there for the Deuter pack, so air can actually get in between and cool off your back. So when I see a manufacturer that has a padded back on something, and they have pads on either side of the spine, and the spine is slightly like in, that's ridiculous, because what's going to happen is you're going to put the pack on, and even though air is supposed to go up there, your shirt or whatever is in your pack is going to push against that, and it's basically effectively going to close it. So while it's a nice thought, it's probably going to do absolutely nothing to keep you cooler. But whatever. Ogio obviously makes more packs than I do, so maybe they know something I don't. It's got two, which is weird because it's not. It's got little clippies, little loops, so you can stick things in. I don't know. Maybe there's packs that are sold to stick in there. It's got a sternum strap. Not a chest strap, sternum strap. Nice little solid click. No waist strap, which I don't know, whatever. All right, and then one of the things that I was interested in seeing is the what is that? What would that be called? The extra, the extra, the fastening for the extra. Because the pack I wear, it doesn't have any type of way to secure the end of the strap, the extra on the strap. So what it does, it flaps against you, and it hurts like hell. So it actually is pretty cool. It's just a little thing that you can fold these down. Pretty neat. You fold them down, and then you put them up against the rest of the strap, and they Velcro in place, and it just kind of holds it there. It doesn't really, like, I mean, it slides, but it doesn't keep it from, it keeps it from hitting up against you, causing any unnecessary bruises. So you don't have to say how you ran into a doorknob or something. Oh, that's pretty cool. On the back, on the bottom, rather, the bottom of the bag, top, the bottom of the bag. Same thing for the strap. Hold these, actually, no, those are different. No, it's got like an elastic strap holding in there. But the bottom, I'm assuming that this would be for like a jacket or a coat, something like that. You can stick it under there. Maybe you could stuff an umbrella. Oh, probably too small for an umbrella, or even just to cinch it down. But you could stick a coat underneath here, so you don't have to wear a coat with you. That's pretty cool on the back there. Because usually what I do, if I don't ride, like here, Northeast Ohio, in the last week or so, it's been, in the morning, it's been like 60, which is coat weather. But then in the afternoons, it's been 90, like literally like a 30-degree swing. So I'll wear my jacket to work, and then on my way home, either I have to leave it at work, or I got to stuff it inside of my pack. So it'd be nice to be able to, like, I can put it in here and cinch that down and just have it sitting behind me and hopefully don't lose it. So that's a good idea. That's a good feature I'll probably take advantage of. Side pockets, either side. Mesh on the inside, which is what I've heard from other people say. It's like a little mesh area that's too small to hold anything. You could probably get like a stubby water bottle in there, either side. Maybe if you're like a chopper guy and you want to put your gasolina in a side pocket or something, you could probably get like a small little bottle of gas in there, something, snacks, whatever. That one. There's one on this side also. Oh, this one, the mesh is actually sewn to the jacket, so it doesn't open up all the way. It zips all the way, but the mesh is attached to the pocket itself, so I guess that's a water bottle thing. I don't know. And then on the back of the pack, we have another pocket, and this one is just pocket there, just for some extra crap, in case you couldn't get enough crap inside of this pack. So actually, I'm kind of impressed, even with the little tab breaking off the first time I use it. That's an easy fix. Hopefully this will be good. It'll help, definitely, like I said, it'll help with me, with work, with having to carry everything I need to carry, and also because I do work in law enforcement. One of the things, you know, with law enforcement, you're training all the time. There's training. A lot of times with the training, I have to take my vest with me, my bulletproof vest, and I have to take my gun belt with me. The pack that I have, there's no way I can stuff a gun belt and a vest inside of that pack. This one, the throttle is, how big is it? 28 liters. This is a 28 liter pack. The pack that I'm currently using is a 16 liter pack, so that's close to double the size. And this is definitely something that I would be able to stuff an outer carrier and a duty belt into. No problem. Just roll it up. The duty belt rolls, or yeah, they both roll. The duty belt rolls, the outer carrier rolls up. Both of them could fit in there, no problem. Lunch could fit in there, and that means I can ride to my in-services as opposed to having to take my heap that's outside there and chance breaking down. So actually, so pretty cool. So yeah, so I'm happy I went with this. Again, the Ogio Throttle. I think it's the international throttle, which is slightly different from like the US market one or whatever, but for 60 bucks plus a $21 gift card, not bad. So yeah. So I hope you like this review, the unboxing and the quick review, I guess, of the Ogio Throttle, which is the same, I guess, as the Deuter AC d-throttle, just cheaper. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know, hit subscribe, as the sugar daughter always says. You know, make sure you hit that bell so you get updated when I post a new video once a year. So, and I'll catch you later on the Sugar Daddy show, the Sugar Show from the Sugar Garage. Bye. All right, we're back inside. I don't have a laptop, but Sugar Mama does. It's an HP Pavilion. Got a handy dandy little measuring tape here. I can tell you how big it is. Outside dimensions are approximately 19 and a quarter inches diagonally, and 11 the short end, so 16 and a half, give or take. So I've already tried this. It does fit the HP Pavilion. Fits inside the bag. Not that I'm going to take it anywhere, but in case you have the same laptop or whatever, if you're a student, an HP Pavilion will fit in there. Alright. I know I mentioned a Kindle Fire fitting on the inside pocket. I actually have a Kindle Fire. Which y'all. And the Kindle Fire will fit. There's a Patagonia case for it. Patagonia case. Kindle Fire, Patagonia case. The Kindle Fire will fit inside the case, inside the bag, just about perfectly. It will be zipped up and everything. And then I know that this is probably not the tablet that they speak of, but Sugar Brothers iPad in the back panel fits just fine also. And I have a Galaxy S9 Plus. There is the little pouch in the back that does not have the zipper or anything, the closure. The S9 Plus fits in there with just like the butt end sticking out. You can see it's like a finger and a half sticking out. So, I mean, good enough. Someplace to put it if you wear jeans. I usually ride in cargo pants though, so I'll just stick it in my other pocket. So, there you go. A little bit of a addendum to the Ogio Throttle pack. It will fit a huge HP Pavilion. Maybe it's screen size? Is it screen size in there? I don't know. The screen on the HP Pavilion, 17.5 inch screen. So it'll fit a 17.5 inch screen laptop. So there you go. Good luck. So I'm hard on everything. I just ask that you perform if I pay for you. Just perform for me. That's all.